Let's begin in child's pose with big toes to touch. Knees can be far apart or close together. On your inhale, take a big breath in and feel the back body begin to expand, and exhale to soften. Begin to float your way up onto hands and knees, and tuck the toes, sink the belly down, lead with the heart, cow pose. Exhale, untuck the toes, bring navel to spine, rounding for cat. Inhale, tuck the toes and the heart forward. Exhale, rounding for cat. Inhale, opening across the heart. Exhale, looking towards your thighs, rounding for cat. Begin to tuck your toes, moving into downward facing dog, send the tail up to the sky. And take a few rounds of breath here to pedal through the feet. Begin to open up through the backs of the legs. Now rise high up into your tippy toes. Bend your knees deeply. Keep the knees bent. See if you can reach the tail even higher up to the sky, finding a little more length in the lumbar spine. And then begin to gradually guide your heels down. Inhale forward to plank pose. Feeling strong, and push back, downward facing dog. Again, inhale forward to plank pose, keeping the heart bright, and push back, downward facing dog. Inhale forward to plank, and lower the knees, the chest, and the chin. Slide forward, baby cobra. Float the hands up off the mat and begin to awaken the mid and upper back. And then float the hands down, push back, downward facing dog. Inhale your right leg high up to the sky, keeping the hips square. And then shift slightly forward, bringing the shoulders over the wrist and bring the knee towards the nose. Extend the right leg high and bring the knee towards the nose. Extend the right leg high. Bring the knee toward the nose. Lift the knee up a little higher and gently step the foot between the hands. Low lunge twist. Right fingertips float up to the sky. Left hand presses the floor away. Get strong through the back heel. Float the right hand down. Step back plank pose. Lowering chaturanga. Inhale upward facing dog. And push back, downward facing dog. Inhale the left leg high. And shift slightly forward, bring the knee toward the nose, hold here. Extend the left leg high, and bring the knee toward the nose. Extend the left leg high, bring the knee toward the nose, lift the knee up a little higher, and gently step the foot between the hands. Low lunge twist. Left fingertips float to the sky, right hand presses the floor away. Strong back heel, strong back leg. Float the left hand down, step back plank pose, lowering chaturanga. Inhale upward facing dog, push back, downward facing dog. Inhale the right leg high up to the sky. Bring the knee toward the nose and step the foot between the hands. Crescent Moon. Set the back knee down, untuck the toes, hook the thumbs, and rise, brightening through the chest. Breathe here. Runner's stretch. Float the hands down, shift the hips back, straighten the front leg, flex the front foot, and breathe into the opening in the hamstring. Turn the sole of the right foot to the mat and inhale the arms up back high for Crescent Moon. Float the hands down and step back. Three-legged dog. Extend the right leg long behind you and then begin to open the hips, bending at the right knee. Square the hips off once more, straighten the right leg, and then bring the knee towards the nose, step the foot between the hands. Warrior One now. Back heel spins down, lift the arms all the way up. Feel strength through that back leg. Setting up for Humble Warrior. Interlace the fingers behind the back, roll the shoulders back, lift the chest, and then bow forward. Keep strength through the back leg in order to help stabilize in this pose. Press down through the feet, rise back up, and return to Warrior One. And then float the hands down to the mat, step back to plank pose, opportunity for a flow or head straight to down dog. Inhale the left leg high, bring the knee toward the nose, and step the foot between the hands, Crescent Moon. Back knee sets down, untuck the toes, hook the thumbs, and lift through the heart. Breathe here, lifting up out of the lower back. Runner's lunge. Float the hands down, shift the hips back, straighten through the front leg, flex the front foot. Breathe here. Returning once more to Crescent Moon, float the front foot down, reach the arms high. Float the hands down to the mat, three-legged dog. Extend the left leg long behind you. And now begin to open up the hips, bending at the left knee. And then straighten the leg once more, square off the hips. Bring the knee toward the nose, step the foot between the hands. Warrior One. Back heel spins down as you rise up. Keep firing through that back leg. Prepare for Humble Warrior. Swim the arms around, interlace the fingers, roll the shoulders back, lift the chest, and then bow forward, letting the head and the neck release. Press down through the feet, return to Warrior One, big inhale, and then float the hands down, step back plank pose to flow, or head straight to downward facing dog. Take the right leg high, bring the knee toward the nose, step the foot between the hands, Crescent Moon once more, back knee sets down, untuck the toes, hook the thumbs, lift through the heart. Draw the hands to prayer and take a twist over to the right. Just noticing the breath in this twist. Now begin to tuck the back toes, lift the back knee, and find the strength through that back heel that we found earlier. Strong back leg. Moving into Warrior Two, spin the back heel down, cartwheel the arms all the way around. On an inhale, tip back, Peaceful Warrior. Exhale, extended side angle. Thinking about both sides of the body, staying nice and long here. Inhale, tip back, Peaceful. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale, tip back, Peaceful Warrior, and then cartwheel the hands down, taking a flow or heading straight to downward facing dog. Inhale the left leg high. Bring the knee toward the nose. Step the foot between the hands. Crescent Moon. Back knee sets down. Untuck the toes. Hook the thumbs and lift through the heart. Draw the hands to your chest and take a twist over to the left. Again, observing the breath in this twist. And now tuck the toes, lift the knee, and get strong through the back leg. Transitioning to Warrior Two, back heel spins down, cartwheel the arms all the way around. And then inhale, tip back, Peaceful Warrior. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale, tip back, peaceful. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale, tip back, Peaceful Warrior. And then cartwheel the hands down to the mat. Optional flow, option to head straight to downward facing dog. Begin to lower the knees towards the mat. Send the hips back towards the heels and come to rest in child's pose. Observing your breath, inhaling and exhaling. Slowly begin to roll up. Sitting nice and tall. Draw your hands together at your heart. And take a moment to reflect on your practice, how you're feeling, and bow your head in gratitude.